Hello my dear students, today we will do exercise 4.2 in which we need to find the solution of a quadratic equation by factorization. Let us take the standard form of a quadratic equation. Here you can see how many zeros are there. Since the highest degree is 2, therefore the number of 0 will be 2 over here. So remember, the zeros of a quadratic equation and the roots of a quadratic equation are same. In case of polynomial, we call it as zeros, and in this chapter quadratic equation, we call it as roots. How to find the roots? The solution that we will find while solving the quadratic equation, that two solution will be the roots of the quadratic equation. By taking one example, you will be able to understand more. Okay, let us go to exercise 4.2 number 1. We have to find the solution. It is given x square minus thrice x minus 10 equal to 0. So what we will do, we will split the middle term, which is thrice x. Now this 5 into 2, 10, how you will do? 10, 2 into 5, isn't it? So 5 minus 2 is 3, 5 into 2 is 10. In this way we have to split. So then 3, you write it like this, and after that x square minus 5x minus plus twice x minus 10. Then from this 2 you take x as common, and from this 2 you take 2 as common. Inside you will get x minus 5. At last you will get x plus 2 into x minus 5 equal to 0. So either x plus 2 equal to 0, where you will get x equal to minus 2, or x minus 5 equal to 0, where x equal to 5. That means these two are the solution of the quadratic equation, this one. So it is very easy. Similarly, let us proceed to the next one, which is given as twice x square plus x minus 6. Here same procedure, 2 into 6 is what? 2 into 6 is 12. So how we will do? 12 and 3, 4. 4 minus 3. Here it is what? The coefficient of x is 1, and we need to make it as 1, isn't it? So 4 minus 3 is 1, and after that 4 into 3 is 12. So in this way you will split 4x minus thrice x, which is x, and this one is minus 6 equal to 0. Then from this 2 you take twice x as common. From this 2 you take twice x as common. Inside you will get x plus 2, and this side minus 3 as common. You will get x plus 2 equal to 0, and then twice x minus 3 into x plus 2 equal to 0. So either twice x minus 3 equal to 0, twice x will be equal to 3, x will be equal to 3 by 2. Similarly, x plus 2 equal to 0 implies x equal to minus 2. These are the solution of the quadratic equation, this one. That means these are the roots of the quadratic equation. Next, number 3. Most of the students get confused over here. Why it is root over 2? Why it is root over 2? Don't get confused. Same way, in the same process we will do. What we will do? Coefficient of x square is root over 2, and this constant is 5 root over 2. So what we will do? Same procedure, this into this. Don't get confused. So 5 root over 2 into root over 2, isn't it? The root over 2 into root over 2, we know it as 2. So 5 into 2, root over 2 into root over 2, 2. 5 into 2, which is 10. That means what we need to do? We need to make it as like 5x plus twice x will be equal to 7x, and 5 into 2 will be equal to 5 5 into 2 will be equal to 10 in this way. Okay, now take x common from this to x. Inside it will be root over 2x plus 5, and from this you can see it from twice x means what? Root over 2 into root over 2, and if you take out 1 root over 2 from this and the other will be here inside, so root over 2 is inside and other is outside. Okay, then from here if you take out root over 2, what you will get? Only 5. So now this into this, so either x equal to root over minus root over 2 or this one, root over twice x plus 5 equal to 0. So this will be minus 5 and then x will be equal to minus 5 by root over 2. Now let us do number 4. It is given twice x square minus x plus 1 by 8 equal to 0. Here what we will do? We will take 8 as LCM. Okay, if I take 8 as LCM, what I will get? 8, this one, as 16x square minus 8x minus 8x plus 1 equal to 0, isn't it? Now next line is this one. If you take 1 by 8 common, you will get this line, isn't it? Then 1 by 8 and inside you can write 16x square, split the middle term, 16 into 1 which is 16, and 16 how you will write? 4 into 4, 16, that means 4 plus 4 is 8 and 4 into 4 is 16, and you have to see the sign also. Since it is negative, so what we have to do? Minus 4x minus 4x in this way. So 4 into 4 16, minus 4x, 8x. Same way you can directly cancel this one. You can directly bring this 8 to right hand side, isn't it? No need to write this. Okay, no need to write this. You can directly write this line. Now take common. What you will get? Take common from it. 4x you take common, inside it will be what? 4x square minus 1, and from this what you will do? Take minus 1 as common, inside it will be 4x minus 1. Clear? Then no need to write this. That means what you can write? 4x minus 1 into 4x minus 1, which is 4x minus 1 whole square. Clear? And therefore what you will get? You will get same root, but you have to write it x equal to 1 by 4 or x equal to 1 by 4. These are the solution of the quadratic equation twice x square minus x plus 1 by 8. This one. Now let us go to question number 5, which is given as 100 x square minus 20x plus 1. So how you will do this? Equate it to 0. How you will do this? Same way, 100 into 1 is 100. So what you need to do? 10 into 10 is 100 and 10 plus 10 is 20. So since it is negative, you have to write here minus 10x then plus 1. Clear? After that, from this 2 you take out 10x. You take as common. 10x as common. Inside it will be 10x minus 1, and this side if you take minus 1 as common, you will get 10x minus 1. So ultimately in this way you will get x equal to 1 by 10. x equal to 1 by 10, but you have to write the two root.